Ever felt like your voice is holding you back? Imagine unlocking your true vocal potential, not just as a skill, but as a journey of total transformation. Welcome to Vocalogy, Singapore's revolutionary voice training education experience that goes way beyond traditional voice lessons. We're not just improving voices, we're nurturing entire human beings. Whether you're a budding child prodigy, a professional looking to recover your voice, or a performer wanting to shine on stage, Vocalogy has your back. Our unique approach blends cutting-edge techniques like Somatic Voicework, Jin Shin Voice, and NeuroVoice, creating a holistic method that transforms your voice from the inside out. We don't just teach voice. We help you connect mind, body, and spirit. Imagine building confidence, reducing stress, and discovering your authentic voice, all while developing incredible communication skills. With our online courses, guided meditations, and personalized training, you'll gain more than just vocal techniques. You'll gain a powerful mindset for success. Ready to unleash your voice's true potential? Book your discovery call now. Limited spots available. Your voice transformation starts today. Vocalogy. Reclaim your confidence, regain your edge.